Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, we're back outside again, man. I tell you what, but not in short sleeves. Temperature's back down in the right around the freezing range, right around 30, 32 degrees, and got some ribs put together, and I got a short time to cook them, so I'm gonna do a little bit faster cook, but we're gonna try to get them pretty tender. Got a couple different sauces I'm gonna bring to you, but I'm doing 2 racks tonight because I got some family members coming over, so we're gonna put this together and see what's happening. Let's put this together, guys. Okay guys, I am not going to use a binder because, well, I'm actually feeling a little bit lazy. I'm going to start this out with just some salt, pepper, garlic. Both ribs. These are baby backs, I'm sure you can see that. We're going behind that with some of this Grill Mates sweet and smoky rub. You can see that there. This is going to be, I've done a hot and fast, which still, hot and fast to me is still sometimes a couple hours. And I'm probably gonna try to go at least 2 hours on this. I might try to stretch it out to 3 if I can, if I got enough time. I'll just play it by ear as I go. They will get wrapped here in a bit. I'll flip these over, do the same thing. I've already removed the membrane, guys. Hey guys, inside doing 2 racks of ribs. This is a 22-inch kettle. I'm gonna try to hold this over to one side pretty good, just to give me some more room on an offset cook over here. Grates on. Hey guys, let's get this show on the road. See if I can just get this over as far as I can. Turn this around. Give me a little bit more room. It's gonna be a shorter cook, so I'm gonna dump some smoke on here just to see how much we can get. Right, guys, I'm just gonna rotate these out to get some even cooking here. I'm gonna stick this over direct for a second. Shift this one over. It's coming along. I don't know if I mentioned it, this is hickory wood I'm using. One of my favorites for ribs. Hey guys, we're about an hour and a half into this. I'm gonna go ahead. Get some good color in here, guys. Let's check the temp. About 150 or so. I'm gonna take these on up to about 200 or so, so I'm gonna wrap them. I'm gonna double wrap them, put them back on. Hit these real good with some love here. This is red wine vinegar and apple juice, about 50-50 mix. Let this steam up real good in here. these back on here. back with y'all in a little bit. Okay, we are starting to lose daylight, but I need to get these off of here and get them glazed. Woo, it's hot, baby. So ready. Family's starting to growl at me. Not to mention, I am losing daylight. These are gonna be good. A pretty good bend there, guys. I got 2 racks here. I'm gonna do 2 different glazes. Both of them Sweet Baby Ray's. One here is one I use often. I don't know if you can see that. I'm starting to lose daylight, as you know, it's still that time of the year. Sweet Baby Ray's. It's the sweet golden mustard barbecue sauce. I use it often. I love this mustard-based barbecue. Bigger rack. I'll probably glaze these 2 or 3 times. Literally today, I was walking through the grocery store and Tom over at Tom's Food Factory, I'm sorry, told me this is one of his favorite. Literally, I was in the aisle of the sauces. So guess what I bought? I'm doing a smaller rack over here with this, and I'm gonna let you know how I like it. This is the sweet golden mustard base. Obviously, this is the honey chipotle. Let's chut in over here and see what we got. Well, go right down the middle, guys. Got a little bit of a smoke ring. Consider we did quite juicy. I don't know how good the light is here. I'm making a mess. This is the honey chipotle. A little bit of a smoke ring there. I went about 3 hours on this cook, so that good cool pullback. Let's get a taste of this. Look at that, guys. Too much goodness right there. Alright guys, let's go in for a little bite of this sweet golden mustard. Sweet Baby Ray's. I already know what it tastes like. Right.
You don't like
That's always good. It don't matter. Don't matter how you cook it. It's always good. Get us a good taste of this honey chipotle, which was recommended. Tom's Food Factory, I believe it was. Try it. Very little bite, got a little heat to it, not much though. Great flavor, guys. Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce, guys. I highly recommend it. Get one more bite here. Oh yeah, Tom, I'll be trying this again, guy. Awesome. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Didn't even know I was gonna do this video today, but I seen that comment on my last video, and I happened to be standing in the sauce aisle. I'm gonna do the ribs tonight. I was gonna do it all in mustard, but got this request and I got it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I got an audience down here. It's all good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna put a link up here to Tom's Food Factory's channel up here. Check him out. He's got a great little channel. Guys, thanks so much. If you haven't already, hit that like button if you haven't, and please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us out a great deal. God love you, folks. We will see you on the next video. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.